How an INTP acts when they like someone. INTP individuals may display distinctive behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Intellectual engagement. INTPs are known for their love of intellectual pursuits, and when they like someone, they may engage in deep and stimulating conversations, exploring various ideas and theories. Playful teasing. INTPs may express their romantic feelings through playful teasing or humor. They enjoy banter as a way to connect with someone they are interested in. Shyness or reserved behavior. INTPs may initially exhibit shyness or reserved behavior around someone they like. They might take some time to observe and analyze before openly expressing their feelings. Analyzing compatibility. INTPs may analyze the compatibility between themselves and the person they like, considering shared interests, values, and intellectual pursuits. Quality time in thought. When an INTP likes someone, they may spend a lot of time in thought, contemplating the possibilities of a relationship and envisioning different scenarios. Casual and relaxed demeanor. Despite their analytical nature, INTPs often prefer a casual and relaxed approach when expressing interest. They may not rush into overt displays of affection. Sharing intellectual insights. INTPs may share their intellectual insights and knowledge with someone they like, enjoying the exchange of ideas as a way to connect on a deeper level. How to make an INTP like you. Engage in intellectual conversations. Stimulate their minds with deep and intellectual conversations. INTPs appreciate partners who can engage in discussions on a wide range of topics. Appreciate their humor. Value their playful teasing and appreciate their unique sense of humor. INTPs often connect through wit and banter. Create a comfortable environment. Provide a comfortable and relaxed environment. INTPs are more likely to open up when they feel at ease and not pressured. Respect their space. Allow them the space they need. INTPs value independence and autonomy, so respecting their need for personal space is crucial. Show genuine interest. Demonstrate genuine interest in their thoughts and ideas. INTPs appreciate partners who take the time to understand their intellectual pursuits. Be patient. Understand that INTPs may take some time to reveal their feelings. Be patient and allow the relationship to develop naturally. Collaborate intellectually. Collaborate on intellectual projects or pursuits. INTPs enjoy partners who can share in their quest for knowledge and exploration. In summary, connecting with an INTP involves engaging in intellectual conversations, appreciating their humor, creating a comfortable environment, respecting their need for space, showing genuine interest in their thoughts, being patient, and collaborating on intellectual pursuits.